But there's here a waqfa that I want to do, a point that I need to stand over, which is Laylatul Qadr is the best of nights. There's no night like Laylatul Qadr. But how do we reconcile between that? When that and the statement of Allah, wal-fajr wa-layalin ashr. How do we reconcile between wa-layalin ashr in Surah Al-Fajr that Allah swore by, and wa-layalin ashri is according to the view of the scholars, which is rajih, wa-layalin ashr is the 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. The first 10 days of what? Dhul Hijjah. So the question here that arises is Laylatul Qadri, or more like the last 10 nights of Ramadan. And these 10 nights of, what do you call it? These days of Dhul Hijjah, which one is better? The scholars, they said it's easy to reconcile between the two. They said that the last 10 nights of Ramadan is more virtuous and more greater than the first 10 nights of Dhul Hijjah. But the first 10 days, not night, of Dhul Hijjah is better than the first of the 10 days of the last days of Ramadan. So the days of Dhul Hijjah is better than the days of the last 10 days of Ramadan. But the nights of the last 10 nights of Ramadan is better than the nights of what? Dhul Hijjah. Are we all together, brothers?